equidistant map, time, space, timekeeping, space keeping experiment. Like, so tonight, when I can see the moon, I'm going to do a live and I'm going to show you guys, like, okay, so okay, we're back online. Okay, so they are hours. So by the time the sun, no, sorry, that'd be 1, 2, 3. So I will have my solar noon here in 3 hours. Okay, it's 9:08 here right now. This is where I am. So when the sun comes around here, goes all the way around here, I'm going to see the moon out here. And because the moon is so far north into it's breached the Tropic of Cancer right now, and so you're going to see the crescent on the underside because the moon has gone north so far, and the sun is, I believe, is at like 11 degrees north of the equator. These are the latitudes. So this can be a very very exciting experiment, especially if you're a flat earther that's on the fence, and you have the you're there, but then you doubt. But see, this is kind of like that place is really not an effective place to actually change the way your mind is resonating. Because the effect of what you want is once it really takes a hold of you, that the pool of the black star or the flat earth, if you want to see it is actually, I mean, the argument for me, it's like this. Okay, you see, I'm looking at this map, and this is a timepiece that I've made, or AI has made. Is actually, it's taken a lot of work to get AI to do this, and I've got like a lot of work left to do on it to make it kind of operational, so that I can actually present to the public and say, hey, look, this is good, this is right. But for now, I can work with it, right? I'm able to kind of adjust things. I can manually adjust the latitudes and make sure that everything is as data suggests. So it's very revealing. So tonight you're going to see the crescent being on the underside of the moon. This is because the moon is gone past the boundary of the Tropic of Cancer, which is, you can see it's breached the Tropic of Cancer by about 11 degrees, it looks like. And so therefore you're seeing the crescent on like the bottom right side. And like I say, it's very cool to actually sit, like I am right here. Now I go out and I position this map, point it towards the north, where I'm standing, point it towards the north, and then look to the direction of where the moon is. All right, or look to the direction of where the sun is, and it's perfect. It's perfect, and it's keeping time. So that, for me, it's very revealing. And I'm like, this is so simple. It's so simple to understand the tropics. So simple to understand the um, the analemmas, how the analemmas form actually in the sky. It's very, very simple. So I have to ask this question. So why don't we use this to understand the paths? Why don't we use this? No, we won't use this because it's way too revealing. And so this actually reveals other things as well, things that are protected. And it is just that. I mean, this is just a higher level of consumerism. That's what this amounts to. So there are markets that are protected by having you guys thinking that the earth is spinning, and the sun is doing this and we're traveling this way, and it's way too complicated. But when you look at it from this perspective, you can actually understand it and you can see it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do this rudimentary, uh, unscripted, uh, just I'm going to do it live, and I'm going to show you guys to the best of my ability how this actually is perfect. And this is what the ancients used. They used the Celtic cross to tell time, tell their latitudes and longitudes to travel. And I mean, for me, it's a very important. It's very important, like to be lied to have my imagination twisted into some kind of a narrative is not cool. It's not. I feel it's a violation. So for me, this is very, very important. Okay, I'll see you guys tonight. All right, like and subscribe. Bye for now.